Ki Pulit ke East Khasi Hills kila Khot Hajir ya Trai Jaka, but u kontraktor halor ke Jaintia basngosi halapalang, kabla shim ke Jingim jong Ngut ki Nongstoin, kibla suba shakta hakle air carbon dioxide. USP ke East Khasi Hills ba Vivek Sim, ulo ong ba la register case hapo ka Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, but ka Disaster Management Act halor ke Jingbom shimkia. La record ya ki Jingkren jong Trai Jaka, but u kontraktor Henry Hadu Mynta ampat don beshakem. USP ulo ong ba ka jing tokit karang ya chakman, but kipulen kidang up ya ka kaipot na kitna technical ban pinshisha la ka don ne em ka jingbom shimkia.
Last, an unfortunate one indeed, where 5 people died in a well. As you've seen that in papers, that they died of carbon monoxide poisoning. A case has been registered under 106 for negligence leading to death, and section 51 of the Natural Disaster Act. And the two people who actually have been imputed out here is the owner of the premises, uh, Carlos Carlos Hing, and contractor Marshall Bina. They have been summoned today under 33 BSF BNSS, and they've been examined, statements recorded. Uh, this case investigation is on, and we are waiting for the opinions from different departments like pollution, water resources, and all that, and to see if there's any negligence on the part of the owner and the contractor. And after we get these opinions from them, as they've already visited the spot on Saturday, and then we will take a call as to how the fate of the case.
They have not been detained.
No, it's a case under 7 years. So notices have been issued.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.